BallBoyzSoap.com. Their website markets them as the go-to skincare brand for athletes, with products like the Coconut Cove Face Scrub and Cool Breeze Body Scrub. Sounds fresh, right? They claim to help clear acne fast, especially for active guys dealing with sweat and grime. But with so many skincare brands out there making bold promises, we had to ask, is BallBoyzSoap.com legit? Let's start with the positive. The brand says their products are paraben-free, antibacterial, cruelty-free, non-GMO, and made in the USA. No toxic chemicals, just clean skincare built for people with active lifestyles. That's a great angle. And bonus, some of their products are now on Amazon too, which adds a little bit of accessibility and trust. But now, let's talk red flags. They advertise a 98% success rate on all types of acne. Which sounds amazing, but where's the proof? There's no clear ingredient list, no clinical studies, and no dermatologist endorsements or athlete testimonials backing that up. It's a lot of flashy marketing, but not much transparency. Even more concerning? The before and after photos they use on their website. We did a quick reverse image search and found those same images used on totally unrelated websites. That's a big red flag. They might be using stolen photos to sell the idea that their product works wonders. And about those glowing user reviews. They claim to have over 150,000 five-star customers on their site. But when we checked Trustpilot, 0 reviews. On Amazon, just 39 reviews with an average of 3.7 stars. That's a massive difference. So where are these supposed 150,000 happy customers? It raises serious questions about whether some of those reviews might be fake or exaggerated. They also show Facebook-style user comments on their website, which at first glance seems like genuine feedback. But weirdly, the site doesn't actually link to any of their social media pages. That lack of real-time public-facing social media presence is pretty suspicious. Most legit brands are proud to show off their socials. To be fair, some real users have had good experiences. One person said the soap has been a game changer for their skincare routine, especially as someone who's played sports their whole life. Another mentioned they bought it for their son, who deals with breakouts from football and wrestling, and it's helped clear up his skin without making him feel like he's using a girly product. That kind of feedback is encouraging, but not everyone's impressed. One parent shared that the soap made their 14-year-old son's acne worse, causing dryness and red pimples. His skin couldn't handle it, and they ended up going back to using Dermalogica, which worked better for him. On Reddit, someone criticized the brand for being overpriced, like charging $60 for a moisturizer, and called out their clean beauty marketing for using fear tactics. They felt the ingredients were super basic and not worth the hype, especially when stronger, proven treatments didn't even work for them. So, is BallBoyzSoap.com legit? It's a mixed bag. They've got a cool angle and some people seem to genuinely love their products. But the exaggerated claims, lack of transparency, reused photos, and questionable reviews make it hard to fully trust them. If you're thinking about trying it, just do your homework and proceed with caution.